Hi, my name is Dr. Nicole Harkin, and I am a board-certified cardiologist and clinical lipidologist. I'm the founder of Wholehearted Cardiology, a concierge preventive cardiology practice in San Francisco. Every day, I work with people like you in order to optimize their heart health by integrating the best in evidence-guided precision as well as lifestyle medicine. Cardiovascular disease remains the top killer in the United States, globally, and in both men and women. But it doesn't have to be that way. It's thought that 80% of cardiovascular disease is actually preventable. I'm looking forward to sharing my top tips with you for cardiovascular prevention at the upcoming virtual lifestyle medicine conference hosted by SoMe Docs. In my talk, I plan to share with you concrete, actionable tips that you can put into practice now in order to help you reduce your risk of heart attack and stroke. We're going to talk about nutrition, movement, sleep, and other little-known risk factors that are important for cardiovascular health. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.